Hey guys, take a look at this beauty. It's a Jeremy Marsh Sledgehammer. Some kind of beautiful micarta handle, some kind of rag micarta, but I don't know exactly what it is. Beautiful Chad Nichols Moku-Ti, subtly etched bolsters, matching tip-up pocket clip. You know, that's Jeremy's, one of his strong suits is how beautiful his pocket clips are for his knives. This one's got a dark stone washed blade. There's his logo. Moku-Ti 3D backstrap, raised backstrap. Beautiful curved bolsters. Exceptional action, bank vault lockup, easy lock release, nice resistance coming back, and the blade's dead center. It won't stand because the back strap is not flat. There's the action, there's the lockup. Looks like there's a lot of dust on the blade. Here's Jeremy's signature. It reads, Jeremy Marsh. There it is. Come on. Find it. Jeremy Marsh. 3, I'll confirm it in the notes. 2012. There it is. I must have too shallow a depth of field because it only shows clean when it's flush. Here's what I'm talking about. See how out of focus that is and that isn't? Now they're both in focus. Hollow ground, beautiful belly. Tip-up pocket clip, great handle, whatever that material is, just outstanding. All right guys, thanks for watching.